Reggie Bunuan. Reggie is here but sinabi niya ako na magtanong ng questions for you, Direk. Base sa trailer ng 4 Bad Boys and Me, may hawig ito sa Boys Over Flowers at Meteor Garden. Ano po ang ibang mapapanood dito na hindi hawig sa mga nabanggit na series? And kayo po ba ang pumili sa mga bida or dumaan sila sa audition?
Dumaan talaga sa audition. Kaya nga may interview si o may vlog si na 3 beses silang tag dito pinabalik. Kasi after Me, we also presented them to management na tingnan nyo, ito sila. So it was a series of auditions, tapos yun, they proved na nakita namin sila diba? Kaya natuwa kami. Tapos ano yung difference? I think ang difference sila, these actors. Ang similarities, it's both kilig, it's both fresh, nakakatuwa siya. Pero they will be the ones who gonna make it different. Kasi kikita nyo naman, actually naglalakad pa lang, natutuwa kami din parang we got a good batch.
Alright, thank you, Direk. Ang second question ni Reggie is for the cast. Yung cast na hindi pa sumasali sa PBB. Sino ba yun? Raise your hand nga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. May plano ba kayong sumali sa next season ng PBB Collab Celebrity Edition? At why? Kung ayaw nyo, why din? Kasi, let me explain. Yung question ni Reggie kasi may context yun. Sabi niya, kasi base sa resulta ng recent PBB collab, umingay yung mga pangalan ng mga sumali at dumami ang projects, even in endorsements. So, it was a good exposure, in other words, ang gusto sabihin ni Reggie. So, for the rest na hindi pa PBB, would you be interested to join? Harvey?
I don't want to say no. I don't want to close the door permanently. Pero siguro now, and in the near future po, siguro hindi po muna. Because right now I'm very much focused on building a career and a diverse set of roles na I'm proud of.
Okay.
And this is my work as an actor. I think I've been doing this for more than 12 years na siguro, and I just, kumbaga parang for me, yes, it's amazing exposure and it could give me so much more than I have now. Pero ang focus ko lang po kasi talaga ngayon is getting better at what what I think I'm good at, which is acting po. So that's where my head's at. But it's not a never. Maybe in the future, maybe when I'm more siguro open. Siguro not now. But who knows? Yeah.
Jello, ikaw, would you be open?
Parang hirap ng tanong na yun, pero ako ngayon, why not? Kasi kung...
Bakit mahirap?
Kumbaga, i-ready mo talaga sarili mo dyan mentally. Kasi hindi naman yung normal na ginagawa mo everyday na may phone, mga kasama mo sa buhay, ganyan. Pero ako, kung makakabuting way naman to para ipakilala ko yung sarili ko and my group PGYO, why not?
Dalawang big winner kasama nyo. Angie and Brent, di ba? So, kung kailangan nyo ng tips, yan lang, kausapin nyo lang yung dalawa. Jella, would you be open? Hingin ka ng tips sa kabilang side.
When I think about it now, kasi parang malabo. Because if, let's say, the next season, I can join because I'm currently in med school now. So, I don't really have the time na kailangan for that. Like, being isolated or... Yeah, so right now, no. But in the future, we don't know.
That's right.
I don't know. Maybe. Yes.
Si Chris, si Anna Lane before I go to Krista.
If given the chance, yes. I wouldn't say no to it because it's such a big opportunity. Maybe for the second batch of the collab, third time's the charm, This is gonna be the third time I'm gonna be auditioning for PBB. So, tingnan natin.
Okay.
But if it's really not meant for me, I'm not gonna push for it because I know there's so much more opportunities outside the house.
Okay. I pray for your happy heart. Crystal.
Siguro for now po, no, not yet. I already tried po for the most recent collab. And I think it was a sign that I wasn't put in. And I think that's okay because right now I'm in first year college. I'm trying to pursue that and I have other projects going on for me. So I'll just focus on those for now.
So, may nagpo-focus kasi sa school, no? Si Jella saka si Crystal. Okay, lalayo ko na yung mic sa akin sa pina-punchline ko na si Anna Lane. Kate Adahar.
Si Kate gusto mag-PBB.
My question is for Angie. Can you describe yung 4 bad boys na naka-work mo as workmates?
As workmates? You know what? First of all, ito yung similarities ng lahat. Sorry na ha. Nabubulol. But yung similarities ng the 4 bad boys, well, I am stepping out on my zone, in my comfort zone, in my bubble. I wasn't afraid to go out because they make me comfortable. Kasi ang bilis nilang katrabaho, ang gaan nilang kasama, and then there's this parang energy na it's just really attractive and it's really warm na it makes me feel like although na I'm working, it makes me feel like, you know, I'm hanging out with my friends, na parang feeling ko talaga estudyante din ako, feeling ko din talaga na parang grabe, mapapagano na lang, kung sa isip ko pa, mapapagano na lang talaga ako na, wow, these people are so kind and you make me feel so warm and I'm so blessed to have them. Grabe, ang bait ni Lord.
Kanino ko closest sa app?
Closest sa app, but I would say si Jello kasi lagi ko ito ka-eksena eh. Diba? Dalugaw. Si Derek Dalugaw.
Thank you. And for Derek, consecutively po kasi yung naka-work niyo sa mga recent projects niyo are veteran actors, ganyan. So, ano po yung naging advantage or fun part na maka-work ang mga newbies?
Ayun, actually ano eh, yun ay mahilig ako iba-iba eh. And it's really refreshing when you're working with new actors. I have projects na mga bago. Actually, yun nga, challenge sa akin lagi na makadiscover ng bagong mga artista, tapos put them in character. Kasi talaga, sa start ang nagpapasikat sa artista yung character eh. Diba? Diba, maski sa book, diba, nababasa yung character ka nun. So it's really a challenge and it's fun for me na yung mga artista na to. And may intention talaga kami na yung ABS had an intention for this project. They wanted a new batch of leading men and women. I think we're gonna achieve it eh. Kita nyo naman, di ba? This is the next, di ba? This is the next generation and I'm happy to be part of it.
Thank you po. Thank you, FJ.
Ay, sorry, nakikipag-checkahan ako dito sa likod. Kasama ang team ng YouTube, ABS-CBN YouTube Entertainment. Kate, salamat. Si Chris ng One Music ang magtatanong.
Hi, kay Angie.
It's okay lang po.
It's a balance between being a singer and being an actress. Gaano katimbang yung both field sa'yo and also at the same time, tanong ko na rin, as an actress, ano yung parang goals mo na nasa bucket list mo?
Nasa bucket list ko is to make a lot of mistakes. Because that's where I'll learn. And I am the kind of person na who really loves to learn and who really loves to parang be good at my field. At saka hindi natin malalaman kung saan tayo mag-i-improve kung hindi tayo magkakamali.
Tama.
So yeah.
Kay
parang ready si Angie sa mga pageant answers tonight.
And kay Jello naman, can we expect more acting gigs from you in the future? And also, based on your experience and also, yun lang pala.
Actually, pwede ko na rin idagdag dyan si Jella because this is the first time that Jella's acting. So, we start with Jello first. Jello and Jella, no? Jello, can we expect more acting projects now that you've experienced acting?
Ako po, simula pa lang nung una, isa to sa mga pangarap ko. And if given a chance na magkaroon ulit ako ng project, syempre tatanggapin natin.
Jella, ikaw naman.
Same with Jello, if merong opportunity, then why not? Pero if hindi kaya, hindi naman pipilitin. But yeah, open to opportunities.
Love team.
Ako?
Oo. Hindi. Ako. May nagre-react ng facial expression dito sa gilid, eh. Oh. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Meron pa second question? Wala na? You're good? Okay. Si Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Jay, are you here? Jay, okay Jay. Andiyan. Ikaw na. Nakalimutan mo yung tanong mo. O sige, ako na. Frangie, it is generally believed that girls find bad boys more attractive
I would say
than
yes.
the good boys. Actually, magandang tanong natin yan sa lahat ng girls.
Yes.
Do you believe that, do you find bad boys more attractive?
I think yes. In my personal experience, I would say yes, because there's something about the bad boys. They don't know they're sexy. They don't know they're handsome. Kasi yung mga good boys. Okay, sorry ha. I find the bad boys
Parang
sexy.
gigil na gigil si Angie
Wait. Let me explain.
Okay.
Kasi yung mga good boys they know they're cute. They know they're guwapo. But then, if bad boys kasi di sila namamansin ng iba. Pag yung may gusto sila, yung gusto lang nila yung pinapansin.
So you kinda like the chase?
Yeah.
Crystal, do you find bad boys attractive?
I mean, yes po, as long as he has a good heart. But kasi nasa loob yun eh. But you know, if his aura is very bad boy.
Yung parang bad boy sa iba, pero sa'yo, good boy.
Yes!
Ay!
Perfect.
Ganun pala. Annalyn, ikaw? Parang Dino. Pinunchline, agad mo na.
Honestly, not really.
Not really.
I find medyo soft, feminine boys attractive more. Gusto ko yung mga cute, medyo bata-bata yung face. Mali.
Pinipicture namin yung itsura niya.
No po. Pwede po mauna na. Goodbye. Pati mga
Bunot ka
classmates
kayo
ko
na Annalyn eh. Oo, bunot ka eh.
But, si Jella na.
Jen, eto na. Jella.
Parang no.
Yeah! Yeah! Kinikilig na yung mga nandito sa press area. Jella, go.
Same kami ni Ayan na parang leaning more sa mga good boy looking. Or clean. Ay, di naman sa dirty looking or bad boys. Pero like, yung, neat looking pala. Yeah. And parang...
Gaya Nino.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Joke lang.
Soft launch. Charot. Next question is for Jello. This is your acting debut. Can you share with us how is your experience? So, gusto ko kinikilig itong mga nasa likod ko. Ay talaga. Jello, how's your acting experience so far?
Masasabi ko sa first acting experience ko, roller coaster of emotions. Kumbaga, share ko lang, dito ko lang na-experience yung kumbaga nag-internalize ka during set, di ba? Tapos parang dalan-dala mo yung story, parang daman-dama mo. Parang first time ko na-experience yung nauwi ko siya. Tapos patulog na, tapos bigla akong nagwala. Parang ganung level. Pero para sa akin, yung acting experience na to, sobrang masasabi ko na ang sarap rin yung outlet para sa mga emosyon. Kumbaga, kung paano mo rin lalaroin yung gusto mong malaro or mapakita sa screen, parang ang sayang mag-work. Yeah, and parang isa tong project na tong For Bad Boys and Me para masabi kong okay, gusto ko ituloy itong pagiging actor.
Nagamit mo ba yung mga BGYO skills mo dito?
Ewan ko kung parang feeling ko in a way sa facial expression siguro
Okay.
ako nag-perform. Pero aside from that, siguro yung kung paano mag-internalize, kung paano mo aartehin.
Okay. Ay, para daw fair, i-reverse naman daw natin. Yung guys, do you find, suplada girls or mean girl or medyo, ang opposite ng mean girl? Pag-good girl.
Pag-girl daw.
Pag-girl! Kaloka. Okay. Dustin, what kind of, girl?
Ayun po, soft girl.
Gano'n ka soft?
Soft. Softer. Hindi, ayun po.
Kasi soft ng Candy Cloud or fabric conditioner?
Marshmallow.
Wow!
topic. Wala pa po akong idea, pero malay po natin.
Okay. Jello, ikaw, what kind?
Siguro yung soft din po.
Soft din.
Opo. Kumbaga, kung sakali mang bad girl yung kung paano siya outside, yung same kay Crystal, yung kumbaga, sa akin lang good. Ganun.
Okay. Brent?
Sa akin po, syempre bad girl. Kasi pag bad girl, mas may thrill eh. Parang, it will never get boring.
Oh, may mga nag-uho dito. Parang Harvey, ikaw.
Ako, siguro hindi naman yung suplada, pero mas risk taker. Kumbaga parang pag may gusto siya, she's really gonna take action to make it happen talaga. Tapos yung tipong gagawin na niya yung mga alam niyo dapat di niya dapat gawin. Pero nandun yung thrill. Parang yung sinabi ni Brent. Tama? Diba? Pero gets making sense. Parang ganun na parang,
kumbaga may pagka-adventurous side.
yeah,
diba?
parang when pag nagpipitch siya sa'yo ng idea at first parang, tapos biglang,
sige nga.
parang ganun na excited.
Someone who loves the thrill,
Yeah.
diba? River, yeah.
Ako, doon tayo sa good girl.
Oh, nagkasumagan si Jella na good girl.
Hindi lang maganda sa labas, pero sa puso rin.
Nag-aaral ng men's school. Yeah!
Birthday niya ngayon.
Yeah! Thank you, River. Thank you, guys. Okay. Alan Sancon of Stars Photog will ask the next set of questions. Dix, you wanna go next?
Bad boy.
Okay. Bad boy daw si Alan.
Hello, everyone. Congratulations to your new movie dito. Yung first question ko for Brent, yan. Alam ko it was shoot before you enter PBB House, di ba?
Yes po.
So, would you think ito yung parang sa palagay mo yung mga fans mo will support this because you are part of PBB? Sabi nga, mas nakilala ka, di ba? Do you think mas papanoorin nila because you are the big winner of PBB?
Siyempre, it comes along with it naman. Yung supporters po kasi talaga, grabe, kahit anong gawin mo, 100% ibibigay din talaga na yung suporta nila. So, I would say yes po. Pero more than that, grabe din po talaga yung suporta nitong Wattpad book na to eh. So, yun, tulong na lang po siguro sila, kaya it's very exciting.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you. Yung second question ko for River. River, alam namin nag-trending yung gray pants mo inside PBB House, di ba? Dito, mas marami bang mga gray pants that you're wearing?
Bad boy nga si Alan.
Bad boy ba yun?
Sinunog ko na po yung gray pants na yun. Kaya naka-black pants na ako. Pero hindi. Less gray pants na po. Mas dark colors for you.
May nagre-request dito more daw, sabi nila.
Hello ka, Alan.
Sila yung nagsasabi sa gilid. Yeah, so congratulations everyone to your...
Thank you, Alan. Maraming salamat. Pasa mo na yung next question kay Bix. Of Bix Buzz and Abante. May tanong. Eto, for Jello. OA? Taas ang energy.
Hi, Jello!
Hello? May media ko to.
Kung may isang kanta yung BGY or na parang, ano ba yung tanong ko?
Gusto mong kantahin kay?
Gusto mong kantahin kay Angie, ano ito at bakit?
Feeling ko all these ladies.
Sample.
Sample! With the steps.
Ay, ginawa niyo sa TikTok, di ba? Dustin, ginawa niyo yun?
Pasabayan niyo ako.
Yes! Harvey, ginawa niyo yun. Nakita ko, River, na ginawa niyo yun.
Yes, with the steps.
Feeling ko all these ladies kasi yung song na yun is about honoring women. The women deserve to be celebrated, to be parang i-treat na queen. And I think perfect si Angie para kantahan ng gano'n. Sumabit sa'yo pa. May grupo pa. Marami kaming content about dyan, kaya abangan nyo.
Wow, girls. Pero para sa mga boys, paano kayo magpakilig ng babae?
So we asked that for Brent, River, Dustin, and Jello. And Harvey.
Yeah, kay River muna.
Paano magpakilig? Paano ba? Siguro depende talaga sa person, pero para sa akin, yung love language ko talaga is time and acts of service, and siguro doon na ako nagpo-focus sa pwede kong bigyan sa kanya.
No, River, you're right. Because you cannot say that nakakakilig yung ginawa mo. The only person who will say na nakakakilig yun is the receiver, right? So tama ang question na lang is, ano yung love language mo? Na para na kinikilig yung receiver. So ano ulit yung love language ni River? Acts of service and?
Acts of service and quality time.
Quality time. So may quality time na ngayon.
Meron naman po.
Yes. Harvey ka, what's your love language?
Siguro tama po kasi yung sinabi ninyo yun, di ba? Wala naman pong iisang explanation or reason kung ano po yung nakakakilig. Kumbaga, I think for me, you just need to listen to your partner. Everyone has different needs, everyone has different wants. And sabihin natin yung nakakakilig sa akin, baka hindi nakakakilig sa kanya. Or something that I would find cute that I could do for her, maybe it isn't that cute sa kanya or nakakilig sa kanya. So I think it's all about listening to your partner, knowing how they want to be seen and valued and taken care of and loved.
So ano nga love language mo?
Love language
service,
ko,
gifts,
it's quality time and I would say quality time and physical touch.
Physical touch.
Yeah.
So she needs to be next to you lagi.
Yes.
Diba? Alright. Brent, ikaw, what's your love language?
I've realized more than the grand gestures, kasi minsan from time to time kailangan din talaga yun. Pero it's really about the small things. As long as it's genuine, totoo talaga yung pinapakita mo, yung magbigay ka lang ng konting assurance na everyday na siya pa rin talaga yung gusto mo or siya pa rin yung mahal mo. Yun, I think yun talaga.
So words of affirmation kay Brent. Jella, ikaw?
Well, ako yung type siguro na kapag gusto ko yung tao, ako yung nagsusulat ng handwritten letters, parang gumagawa ng mga playlist, ganyan. Siguro, kaya ko rin pagluto kung gusto ko. Pero, feeling ko ngayon, ang love language na usually nabibigay ko is paramdam ko na I'm consistent.
Okay.
And quality time tsaka service siguro.
Dustin, ikaw?
Ayun po. Ano yun?
Anong love language ni Dustin? Is it words of affirmation, quality time, gifts, acts of service, physical touch?
Acts of service po. Ayun guys, kasi pag pakilig, toothpick kasi ako, aaminin ko na dito.
Oo.
Then po, acts of service talaga, then words of affirmation.
Right. Para ma-assure. Bix?
I'm satisfied.
You're satisfied. Thank you. Buti naman. Salamat naman. Nahiya naman kami, baka hindi ka ma-satisfied. Thank you, Bix.